Hi, this is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper, and this we are almost done with our Phillip Jeffries rivets and stripes. How do you like it? Now, unfortunately, we're taking it at night, and we did it during the day, but we will show you the final product in the daytime, because with the sunlight, it's just absolutely gorgeous in this all-white enclosure. You can purchase this at wallpaperboulevard.com, and you can reach us on the web at spencercolgan.com. Thanks for watching. Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper.